Hi Ma, good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing about the topic is our first chapter physical sciences. In our first chapter we have total 14 chapters. In 14 chapters the first chapter is the physical world. In this chapter we will get just 2 marks questions. So today we are discussing about what is physical science chapter, what about the forces, different types of forces all are discussing today. So first introduction, physical sciences. Physical sciences, science is exploring, experimenting and predicting from what we see around us. Science is exploring, exploring means searching, अन्वेषिंचडम, experimenting that means practically, and predicting from what we see around us. And the word physics comes from the Greek word physis. Physis means nature. The word physics comes from physical sciences. In this, physics comes from the word Greek word physis. Physis means nature. In our nature, so many forces are registered. That means force is needed to push or carry or through objects, these by using force. So the force exists in nature is in several forms. So but we have some important forces are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, nuclear force. Nuclear force means in these two we have two different types of forces, weak forces and strong forces. So in nature we have the four important forces are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak force and strong force. So in these forces, the gravitational force and electromagnetic forces are observed in our daily life. Gravitational force and electromagnetic force are observed in our daily life. Gravitational force means our weight of the body is due to the gravitational force, and electromagnetic radiation we are seeing TVs, mobile phones, everything are working on the basis of the electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnet due to the electromagnetic forces. And another one, weak nuclear force, weak forces and strong forces. The weak forces and strong forces is nothing but a weak nuclear forces and the strong nuclear forces. The weak nuclear forces and strong nuclear forces are involved in interactions between subatomic particles. That means in our nature we observe gravitational and electromagnetic forces, but the weak and strong forces are between interaction between the particles, subatomic particles. That means it will be observed in labs, not in our daily life. So in this the first force is the gravitational force. Gravitational force is nothing but a force of attraction between it. Once again, force of attraction, not repulsive. That means the force of attraction between any two bodies or mutual force of attraction between any two objects by virtue of their masses. It is the gravitational force is also known as a universal force. The gravitational force is also known as a universal force. What is meant by gravitational force? The gravitational force is the mutual force of attraction between bodies of their virtue of their masses. It is a universal force. It plays an important role in the formation and evolution of stars, galaxies, everything, galaxies, and it will be used in formation of stars, evolution of stars, galaxies and galactic clusters. So these forces, properties consider cheste. The gravitational forces are always attractive forces. There is no repulsion. Only these are attractive forces. These are long range forces. That means 10 to the power of 15 meters, infinite. So these are long range, not in infinite. Why? Because above the some certain height in space there is no gravitational force. అందుకే మన ఆక్సిజన్ సిలిండర్స్ తీసుకొని వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు స్పేస్లోకి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు డ్యూ టు దిస్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్. So the force of attraction between two bodies is inversely proportional to the radius square of the distance between them. The velocity of the propagation of the wave is equal to the velocity of the light. So in our nature, the gravitational force, we have four forces are exist. One is the gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak force and strong force. In this, the first force is the gravitational force. The gravitational force is the attractive force between two bodies by virtue of their masses, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That means F is proportional to a mass of attraction between two bodies m1 m2 by square of the inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. R is the distance between these two bodies, r square, square of the inversely proportional got 1 by r square. This is the gravitational force of attraction, and our proportionality constant g into m1 m2 by r square. This g is nothing but a universal gravitational constant. Why? Because this force is the universal force of attraction. So these are very long range forces, not in infinite, but it has some long range forces. So the velocity of the propagation of the wave is equal to the speed of the light. The speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. The velocity of light. So the gravitational force of wave can be propagated with the velocity equal to the light. The velocity of the light is nothing but a small. It will be the 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So the examples of gravitational force are the sun gravitational attraction on the earth. The sun gravitational attraction on the earth, it needs orbit around the sun. The sun gravitational attraction on the earth keeps the earth in its orbit around the sun. Sun చుట్టూ రివాల్వ్ అవడానికి ఎర్త్ అనేది సన్ చుట్టూ రివాల్వ్ అవడానికి ఎర్త్ అనేది ఏది డ్యూ టు ద రీజన్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్రావిటేషనల్ అట్రాక్షన్. సిమిలర్లీ ద మూన్ ఆల్సో రివాల్వింగ్ అరౌండ్ ద ఎర్త్. వై? బికాస్ డ్యూ టు ద గ్రావిటేషనల్ అట్రాక్టివ్ ఫోర్స్. అండ్ అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ ఈజ్ ద result of gravitational attraction. The weight of the body is the result of gravitational attraction of earth acting on the body. Due to this is the gravitational force of attraction. In another class we will discuss electromagnetic force. So once again I will repeat, today our chapter is physical sciences. What is meant by physics? What is meant by science? Science is nothing but exploring, experimenting and predicting from what we see around us. So the word physics comes a Greek word physis. Force is used to push or throw objects, everything. So in our nature we have several forces are exist, but in those we have just four forces are very important forces. First one is the gravitational force of attraction, and second one is the electromagnetic force, and third one is the weak force, and fourth one is the strong force. Weak force is nothing but a nuclear weak forces, and strong force is nothing but a nuclear strong forces. In this, the first force is the gravitational force of attraction. So the gravitational force of attraction and electromagnetic force of attraction, these two forces are observed in our daily life. Why? Because due to the gravitational force of attraction we are standing here, and the weight of the body is exists in our earth, on the earth, and electromagnetic force is nothing but we are using mobiles, TVs, radios, whatever it is, all are working on the basis of a EM radiation and EM waves, EM forces. And the third and fourth forces, that means weak forces and strong forces, that means weak nuclear forces and strong nuclear forces are used in subatomic particles, or involve interaction between the subatomic particles that will be observed in our chemistry labs and practicals also. So the weak force is nothing but a nuclear weak force, weak nuclear forces, and strong force means strong nuclear forces. So in these four forces, first we will discuss about the gravitational force of attraction. That means the force of attraction or mutual force of attraction between two bodies by virtue of their masses is the gravitational force of attraction, and it is the gravitational force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses. That means F is proportional to m1 m2, and the gravitational force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Distance between them means these are the two bodies m1 and m2. The distance between these two bodies is the r. This is the r. The distance between the two bodies is the r. So the gravitational force of attraction is proportional to product of their masses, and the gravitational force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. F is proportional to 1 by r square. So from these two equations we can write F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. That implies F equal to g into m1 m2 by r square. That g is nothing but a universal gravitational constant, and this force is nothing but a universal force. So in this, the velocity of the propagation of the wave is approximately not. The velocity of the propagation of this wave is proportional to the or is equal to the velocity of light in our nature. Velocity of light in space is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. That force will be mostly equal to the velocity of the light. And examples of this gravitational force is the sun gravitational attraction on the earth keeps the earth in its orbit. Similarly, the moon and our weight also due to the gravitational force of attraction. This is about gravitational force of attraction. And next class we will discuss electromagnetic forces.